Hello, and welcome to the Replay Chewbacca Ball Off-Season Award Ceremony. My name is Crystal Martz, and I will be your MC this evening. 7 teams participated in this event, and we are very proud of the accomplishments and hard work that they've put in. Now let's see how they did, starting with the Coach Mentor Award. Coaches and mentors inspire their teams to do their best, both as individuals and together, and without them, there would be no First LEGO League. This award goes to the coach or mentor whose leadership and guidance is clearly evident and best exemplifies the first 4 values. Our Coach Mentor Award for the Chewbacca Ball event is Allison Cook with Team 29311 Dolphin Tech. The team members of Dolphin Tech said that Ms. Cook deserves a special recognition because she is kind and helps our team in amazing, fun, awesome ways. She inspires and motivates our team during practice and works hard at what she does and has lots of ideas. Congratulations, Allison. Next up, we have the Judges Award. We actually have 2 Judges Awards this time. The Judges Award is given at the discretion of the judges to a team they have encountered whose unique efforts, performance, or dynamics merit recognition, yet the team does not fit into any of the existing award categories. Our first Judges Award goes to Team 6819 Thunderbolt Elementary. This team had a very engaging skit and performed well under pressure in the robot game. Congratulations, guys. Our second Judges Award goes to Team 52037, the Engineering Elites. This team had a clear understanding of the robot missions they sought to complete, and the judges expect to see great things in the future for this rookie team. Congratulations, Engineering Elites. Next, we have our Rising AllStar Award, which celebrates a team that the judges notice and expect great things from in the future. And that is Team 6816 Patterson Islanders. Our Robot Design Award goes to the team that uses outstanding programming principles and solid engineering practices to develop a robot that is mechanically sound, durable, efficient, and highly capable of performing challenging missions. The Robot Design Award goes to Team 46191 Spartan Robots. Next, we have the Innovation Project. The Innovation Project team utilizes diverse resources for their innovation project to help them gain a comprehensive understanding of their problem, have a creative, well-researched solution, and effectively communicate their findings to judges and the community. Congratulations to Team 51889, the Keller Tigers. Alrighty, our Core Values Award goes to a team that displays extraordinary enthusiasm and spirit, knows they can accomplish more together than they could as individuals, and shows each other and other teams respect at all times. Congratulations to Team 9652, the LAE Rambotics. Our Engineering Excellence Award celebrates a team with an efficiently designed robot, an innovative project solution that effectively addresses the season challenge, and great core values evident in all they do. Our Engineering Excellence Award goes to Team 29311, Dolphin Tech. Congratulations. And last but not least, our Robot Performance Award. Our Robot Performance Award celebrates a team that scores the most points during the robot game. Teams have a chance to compete in at least 3 2.5-minute matches, and their highest score counts. The Robot Performance Award winner for the Chewbacca Ball event is Team 46191, Spartan Robots, with a high score of 225 points. Let's see their robot game.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes. Come on, Mr. Robot, you can move. Oh, I saw it move a little bit. The yellow.
That's all of them. That's all of them.
In. Not yet. Thank you.
Yeah, keep that in hand. Keep that in hand.
Yeah. Two minutes left.
Face it, face it. Okay, that's good.
Good. Come on.
Oh, wait a minute. That might not.
Okay. This might
Slipping.
work.
It's slipping.
It's fine. It's somewhere.
Yellow. Yeah.
20 left.
I'll move this one. Come on.
Got it?
I gotta have to take this out. Yeah.
No.
There you go. Put the juice.
Right?
Yes.
Nice job. Go.
Minute left.
Here.
Go, Harvey. Alright, you got 3 of them on there? Okay. Come on, Harvey. Alright, go. So that goes there.
Is it dancing?
No!
That's a joker. It's okay.
Okay.
You have a
You have 20.
No!
Right.
Yes!
5,
4.
Oh.
All right.
Alrighty, guys, this concludes the award ceremony for the off-season Chewbacca Ball event. Just as a reminder, teams will receive their rubrics and final score sheets tomorrow via email. All teams should have completed our shipping address survey so that you guys can get your season pins and your award plaques. I want to make sure I get those to you. Congratulations, teams, and we look forward to seeing you next season.